Well, how and in what ways is cooperation important in the living world? In one sense, even that question is an understatement, because I would want to say you would not have the living world without cooperation. You break the word down, it means cooperation. And that means that that operational processes have to be integrated in order to work. And I'll just give you three examples. So you couldn't have life with just one gene. You have to have a number of genes working together, cooperating to form products that interact with one another. Even to have the very, very, very simplest cell, you have to have cooperation of genes. Then take a next step up. To have an organism that does things that we associated with life, like let's say controlling internal environment. A lot of biologists think that's an essential part of life. The idea of homeostasis, controlled internal environment. That takes, at more sophisticated levels, if I want to control body temperature, for example, that takes cooperation of cells working together. You can't do it without cooperation. And then yet a next step is social cooperation, cooperation between organisms. And what organisms can do when they cooperate together is cooperating predators can bring down prey. Cooperating prey species actually can defend themselves against predators. Huddling species can thermal regulate more efficiently if they huddle together. If we think of the social insects, what an astonishing development that is. They build homes together. They cooperate in raising the young. Some of them actually go out and they domesticate fungus or aphids, and they milk the aphids to feed their young with. This is a level of biological functionality that could never exist apart from cooperation of individual organisms. So what cooperation does is it actually, first of all, makes life possible. And then secondly, the capacities that we attribute to life, it enables them to increase in robustness and functionality.